Today we are installing an oil catch can on this MPS3. I've been dying to get my hands on this car for a long time. It's just an awesome machine. It's probably one of my favourite MPS3s in Australia. And we're going to install an oil catch can on it. Basically what this does is the oil catch can basically just fits in or splices in to the top of your engine, where the engine valve from your engine pressure valve at the very back there, there's a pipe that goes from there into your intake just after your pod filter, and your map sensor, which is back here. And you splice the pipe into there. That way when the pressure builds up in your engine, it shoots some air to release that pressure. With that air, because of where it's located and where the oil is shooting up to go over, to drop down over your engine to keep it lubricated, oil will come out with that air. This catch can then will catch that oil, because the oil will sink to the bottom, the air will come out, go back into your intake. This means there's no oil going into your turbo in a way that you don't want it to go. Obviously there's still oil in your turbo, but this stops oil going over the fins of your turbo, stops oil going through your intercooler, and oil going into your intake manifold. Very good thing. It stops all that oil getting spurted in where you don't want it. It also helps relieve some of the pressure from your manifold, and by doing that, what happens is there's more tubing and more space, so more displacement of the air that's coming out of there to travel around, I guess. And so oil catch can solves a few problems like that. It's very important for a turbo car when you start pushing the limits of it, because there's more pressure, you're making things run harder and quicker, and the pressure builds up quicker, so any displacement within the engine bay of that air dissipating is not as functional, because it has to get away really quick. So this is how you do it. So we've installed the line leading out of the top of the engine to the oil catch can, and we're just putting the return line now to the intake from the return from the catch can. We actually put a valve in this. Wasn't really sure, never done it before, and realised that valve is actually a bad thing, because there needs to be return pressure under idle that will suck air out of the intake. So that was a bad thing, but we've removed that, now it's running fine. But that's how you install an oil catch can to relieve pressure from the top of your engine. Thanks for watching Tim's Garage. Please subscribe. See ya.